Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, I'm Jihan Hanifah. Today I want to explain you about context clues part 4. Before that, what is the definition of context clues? Context clues are hints that an author gives to help define a difficult or unusual word within a book. The clue may appear within the same sentence as the word to which it refers, or it may follow in the next sentence. Because most of our vocabulary is gained through reading, it is important that we are able to recognize and take advantage of context clues. Next, contrast clues. It is sometimes possible to determine the meaning of an unknown word from a word or phrase in the context that has an opposite meaning. The word and phrase such but although even though yet on the other hand indicate contrasting ideas. For the example, one view of the distinction between this will be that business economics is wider in the scope than industrial economics, that will be concerned not only with industry but also business in the service sector. Inference clues. Many times you can figure out meaning of an unknown word by using logic and reasoning skills. In the first 2 minutes alone, he referred to a dizzying range of economic indicators: growth, unemployment rate, personal consumption, expenditures, inflation, labor force participant, productivity gains, real wage gains, and so on. Restatement. The words and phrase such as or in other word, that is to say, that is in the signals, commas, parentheses, and dash indicate restatement. For the example, in other words, without the novel first teaching us how to deal with words that are not technically true but still believable, theoretically, models might not exist in the way today. Modifier. Modifier is a word, phrase, or clause in English that has a function as an adjective or adverb that explains another word or group of words. For example, they have city manager who runs all the service department of the government and takes charge of buying for the city. Last, sentence or paragraph. The sentence or the sentences that come before or after the sentence containing word explain the word. The paragraphs in which an unknown word appears may also explain the word. For example, the business downturn of the Great Depression was pervasive. It affected all sectors of the economy. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.